What if panaginip mo lang ang Beanie Girls? Ay, hindi yun panaginip. Ano yun? Bangungot.
Kinangot ako. Ayan guys. Oh, let's read the comments. Zoom in. Para kang lalo na
I love you, Colette! Shucks.
Guys, pasensya na po yung mga member natin ngayon na ano.
Naigas-gas talaga siya.
Colette, sino kumalmot sa'yo?
Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo? Ano ba naiwan natin sa Korea, guys?
Naiwan sa Korea si Mix, guys.
Look at my toenails. Look! Ayaw niya bumitaw, oh. Parang kayo lang. Ay! Nakakahilo. Sorry. Gumagalan kasi yung baka ko eh. Sorry. Tumahimik ka nga! Hulaan mo.
Alam mo yun,
Buhay.
hindi pinapalabas ng video.
ID.
Kahit ako yung at least na detalye hindi mo pinapalabas, pero hindi ko talaga nakasaka. Ano yung sabihin niya?
What if ipatong mo na ng phone?
Ano yan, tumatak?
What if ayoko?
Karera, ano ba? Research na isa.
Exactly. Carrera. It means Carrera. Sure. Tignan na natin to. Snore. Mura. Let's go. Not gonna see anything right now. Okay, let's play Q&A. Char. Ano ba yan?
Para protektor ng heart.
Mas matagal.
Yeah, we were able to rest kasi right after the concert, binigyan naman kami ng rest.
Rest days. Okay. So,
We hope that you guys enjoy and always remember to stay safe. Make sure that you're not hurting anyone in the process. And mag-ingat lang po kayo. Thank you for having us and mag-enjoy po kayo.
Ang sweet. Sobrang sweet naman ang boss ni Mika today.
Pag nagtatagalog kasi, minsan nagiging sweet.
Called Erican humor, like the Konyo guys, Konyo girls. Mika! Sino Konyo dito? Si Mika.
Konyo is like the mix of Taglish for those who don't know.
Like, you know, when we go to the mall talaga, right? It's so sarap.
Bagsak muna bago kwento. Tama! Gusto niyong malaman yung kwento? Gagayahin ko pa si Ate Ayo kung paano niya sinabi. Nakakatawa. Sobrang cute niya nung sinabi niya yun.
Kaya lang ba to?
Oh,
Okay, go na.
just go.
You know what? Stacy is so makulit. No, nag-aaya siya mag-dinner daw sa place niya. Ayoko. Eme. Why? Ganon mag-type. Umaya nga. Galay pa ako eh. Talaga? Kaya yung plano kong mag-extend, biglang nag-aano. Now na? Excuse me? Mag-book ako ng Grab mo. Why are you making madali? Making madali me. Exclamation point. Question mark. Shut up. Shinatak ako. Ako yung pinapapunta tapos, oh my God. Okay. Sabi ni Stacy, di nga ako kumain para hintayin ka eh. Paampon ko hedgehogs mo. Hoy.
Wala namang extraordinary sa bacon. It's just bacon. But ako kasi I prefer yung medyo sunog na konti.
Sunog pa.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Pero Miss Jones, the bacon you cook, it's not sunog.
Which one? Eh, kasi parang ako lang may gusto ng sunog eh.
Hindi, a lot of people
nag-adjust
like
ako.
sunog. There's some sunog here under.
Pero yung fried rice ni Ate Joey.
Period.
Yeah, may secret yun yung fried rice nila. Siyempre secret.
Sino ang mauna sa
Sino mauna?
Bakit kasi Tagalog?
Hindi. Before that, blue.
Tapos ito pa, nagsasend sila ng videos na si Haru nakaabang sa screen door. Tapos like, may pusa na pupunta doon. Sabi ng sister ko, Mika, Haru as jowa na, like, girlfriend. And I was like, excuse me, he'll get a girlfriend when I say he can. I can't, like, sabi ko gano'n. Sabi ko, hindi, but it's not allowed to have a girlfriend without my permission. And that can't happen, not on my watch. Strict kung strict. Imagine mo, di pa siya nag 1 year. The heck? Ako nga, 19 years, wala pa rin eh.
Ano bansa na puntahan mo na? I think the first country I've ever been to is Hong Kong. I was very young. I went to Singapore. And then I went to South Korea. And then I went to US. And then I went to... And then nag-layover kami sa Taiwan. So lumabas kami para kumain. And then nag-overnight. Yun lang. Pero we didn't make libot. And then pumunta kami sa London. And then we went to Paris. And then we went to Germany, Switzerland, Amsterdam, Rome. Pero guys, the thing is, like, when you're so young and you travel with parents, hindi siya as... I went to Australia, Dubai, ayun. Hindi siya as memorable as when you're older kasi you're very young and like, hindi mo makontrol kung saan mo gustong pumunta, you're just going along. Parang, hindi mo talaga ma-take in lahat, you know. And I didn't even post much of my photos from the travel experience of mine. And like, that's why I wish to go there. Like, my wish list is to always take my family out of the country. Like, yun yung gusto kong magawa. And, 4 sila. So, it's like, ang hirap doon for me. Si Ate Aya kasi 2 lang eh. 2 yung parents niya, yung tinitake niya. Kasi yung brother niya may asawa na. That's why she's able to do it easier, ganun. Ako kasi 4 sila. And nasa US pa yung brother ko. And like, sobrang kung saan kami sa Philippines. Like, my parents are in Bicol, my sister's in UST, I'm in here in QC. My brother is in the US, Jesus Christ.
Kumain ka na, yes. Alam niyo ba guys, pumunta ako sa cafe kanina kasi walking distance lang. Tapos, akala ko, like, okay, chill cafe. Tapos medyo social siya. Eh ako naka-chinelas lang, hoodie, ito, tsaka shorts na pangbahay. But then I was like, you know what, whatever. Like, I'm just gonna eat. And I just want coffee. So, it's okay. Masarap naman. Feeling ko mali kasi yung order na mali yung order na kape. The coffee I ordered was wrong because like it's not what I like or like what I usually order. So like I should have ordered something else. Anyways, pero masarap yung food. Oh, it's 3:33. Okay, I guess I have to... Alam niyo ba na-realize ko, nagkaka-accent ako lalo na pag tamad ako magsalita. Kasi pag soft ako nagsasalita, wala masyadong effort yung tongue ko. So parang, nag-iiba yung accent ko. Kaya, one time nga when I get too comfortable na, like one time, paalis kami ng nina Jo, diba? Like pupunta kami sa Alamat Showcase or P-Pop Fest na nag-perform Alamat. Joanna was like, Mix, anong oras tayo alis? Tapos sabi ko, we can leave at like... Tapos sabi ni Jo, ang hinhin naman. Sabi ko, ay, ba't ako nag-English sa inyo? Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos sabi natin kulit, okay lang yan, ganyan ka naman talaga, normal yan, normal. Be who you are. Do you do you. Ika, anong feeling maging maganda? Okay lang naman, masaya.
Yeah! Hindi, 3 beses kasi wala si... 2 pa kasi wala si Aya.
Wow! Anong 2 pa?
Si Aya, si Jo, wala.
Isa pang member wala.
Walang ganun na. Whiskey
ako makakiss. Thank you, Lord. Ay, sorry. Si Harry.
Papatayin mo ba yung zombie kung blooms yun? Ay, guys. Pag zombie apocalypse, wala nang blooms, bini dito. It's over. Wag niyo. Ano ba? Gusto niyo kong patayin? Ganun na ba yun? Hayaan yung mga matay ako, ha?
You're good? Okay, so Kayara is actually translation to English. It means race, but the meaning of the song is life is not a race. And it talks about how you should just go at your own pace, basically, because I feel like a lot of people are pressured to reach a certain standard at a certain time limit or at a certain age. So I feel like a lot, or everyone would relate to it because it's just common that you're pressuring yourself just to be something at a certain time. But really, go do your own thing, go with the flow, whatever you want, as long as you're not hurting anyone.
Oh, that's